Lights off, doors locked. In recent weeks, half of Smiling Goat's 6 cafes have closed down. But closing cafes aren't the only problem facing the company. More than half a dozen lawsuits have been filed against Smiling Goat or its owner, Kit Singh, from companies and people who say they are owed money. Court documents show Smiling Goat owes its previous coffee supplier, Java Blend, nearly $10,000, while coffee roaster Just Us announced earlier this month it was cutting ties. It called Smiling Goat's situation baffling, and only last week, Just Us went to court to get back $24,000 in equipment. Bakeries have had to chase after money too. Last year, 24 Carats Bakery successfully sued for more than $4,000 in unpaid muffins, squares, and croissants. Now this baker is supplying the coffee company, but only if she's paid for her pastries up front.
First couple of payments came through on time, and then after that they started missing, and then the last 2 or 3 times we didn't get paid. I just decided if they weren't going to pay on time, I just wasn't interested.
Singh has also been sued by the lawyers who helped him purchase Smiling Goat in 2016. A court ordered him to pay $6,000 to law firm Boyne Clark. Lawyers made it clear how they felt. One of them wrote in an email, "Never in my career have I discussed and explained fees so much with any client. You bartered with me, and then you argued for a further discount after the first bill." Meanwhile, Singh's accountant quit after less than 3 weeks on the job. Sasha Misick says he's owed $1,600. He's suing too.
I just feel that I'm taken advantage of because through the conversations I've had with Mr. Singh, my perception is that he believes that he can postpone this indefinitely until I get tired of chasing the payment that I am rightfully owed.
Singh is now countersuing, saying Misick quit without warning. Singh says he's owed nearly $4,000 because of it, plus $100 for pain and suffering. In other court cases, Singh argues he's been overbilled and suggests some delayed payments are due to family matters.
Singh did not respond to multiple requests for an interview. CBC News did speak with other suppliers who said they are still willing to work with the company and are being paid despite delays. Despite recent cafe closures like the one behind me, Smiling Goat's website is still welcoming job applications for what it calls a rapidly growing company. Marina von Stackelberg, CBC News, Halifax.
Singh did reply in an email to CBC News this afternoon. Singh says his company has never refused to pay any legitimate account, and he says his family has invested tremendous sweat equity and personal money in efforts to establish and grow as a viable business and employer in Nova Scotia.